Hold my beer, watch this. All right, guys, so today it is February the 3rd, 2026. So we're officially kicking off my birthday weekend. Even though today's Wednesday, my birthday's on Friday, I'm kind of partying for the next, I don't know, 6-7 days.
And what else?
Oh yeah, and the anniversary. And so today we're actually at the grand opening of the new Walmart here in Jacksonville. Now you may say that sounds kind of boring, Crum. What are you getting at? Well, Jenny Crum actually did all the decorations for this grand opening. The company, hope y'all can see it, Jack's Balloon and Decor. So we're out here doing that, and it's gonna be a good event. So y'all just stay around. Please continue to watch the whole video, give it a thumbs up. We're gonna show you around, give you on a tour, give y'all some backstage access. We're gonna be right back, let's go. All right, so we're back in it, guys. And as soon as you come in the store, the first thing you're gonna see is, ta-da! You're gonna see all of this right here. All right? So we got all this going on. And it's a lot going on, all right?
So we did all the columns here.
So we did all, here, I'm gonna let Jenny talk, I'm just gonna do the filming.
Okay, so we did these columns up here that's by the register. We did also all of these columns that you see. They moved them around. These were by the front door register. And you can see some columns over here too. They definitely moved all these things all around. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got all of this going on up here. So this is all custom design. If you guys are anywhere in North Florida, Southeast Georgia, and you need your balloon art or decorations, boom, Jack's Balloon and Decor. Alright? Let's keep going. It is a lot of people here too, y'all. So it's just columns everywhere. Everywhere. Now this is right here is pretty fly. So again, grand opening of the new Walmart, the grand opening of my birthday celebration, and it's going down. Look at all of that, y'all.
They got an ice sculpture.
Huh?
You see the ice sculpture?
Huh? Look at this, y'all. Ice sculpture. If you're gonna do it big, baby. If you're gonna do it big, baby. If you're gonna do it big, baby. Huh? You're gonna do it big, baby. That's how we do it. Yep. Worldwide Chrome, baby. Again, Jack's Balloon and Decor, y'all, right there. Did all of this over here.
Rick did some of these right here that you see. I worked with a team of 5 ladies. Well, 4 ladies, and they all brought help, but they all are balloon artists. They all own businesses. Shout out to Mamacita's Decor, Balloons and Glitz, Easy Elegance Events, and Beautiful Balloons by Bria. Come on this way. I'm gonna show you the Valentine's section.
All right, guys. Again, I know this is a little something different than what y'all used to seeing on the channel, but hey, support.
Because I went there.
Let me just see. Hey! Oh, he on the phone. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to her later.
So we're here, guys.
This is Brian.
Hey, Brian.
This is my husband, Thomas.
I'm Thomas Crum, on my beer channel. So we're just out here again. What's my phone? So we're out here just taking in all the excitement, the festivity of the grand opening. I don't know if you can. Would you like to say something on camera? Okay. All right. Hey, off the record, guys, off camera, Brian says that Jack's Balloon and Decor did a great job. So we thank you guys for the opportunity. We really do. You know.
Had a lot of customer feedback on it.
Oh, good.
All positive, hopefully? Good. All right, guys, so now we're over here in the Valentine's section. Look at these. These are like the biggest balloons I've ever seen in my life. The heart balloons right here for the Valentine's section. It's all pretty cool. We got all this over here for the springy kind of feel, very festive and everything. So again, y'all, I know y'all always here for the whole my beer and what I have going on in my shenanigans. Please like, comment, subscribe. So we're gonna keep meandering around and let's see what we got. All right, we're back at it, and then I think we're going to the coup de grace. So, which is pretty fly. So I won't bore y'all while I'm walking. I'll tap back in a minute. Like, comment, subscribe. So now we're back, guys, and this is probably the flyers design of the whole thing. This is actually a replica of Sam Walton's old school Ford truck. That's all balloons, right? Huh? Tell me that's not fly. Tell me that's not fly. I'll smack you silly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir, Bobski. Yes, sir, Bobski. So again, guys, that's what we up to today. Just kicking off the grand opening for this store. Kicking off my birthday weekend. And so that's what we're into, what we got going on. So I think we're gonna go outside and we're gonna show you guys a little bit more of the festivities that are going on the exterior of the store. So we'll be back. It's a long walk, so I won't bore you. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let's go. So now, guys, we are outside, and it is almost like a full-blown fucking party or a concert or something. So we got the Roman Walmart sign, Sparky out there, you know. So now we're out here. It's just all type of stuff going on. So let's just see. You got all type of stuff going on. You got like a Wheel of Fortune game. They got giveaways for people. Hey, let's see if I got it. Let's see if I got it. Let's see if I got it. Bam, I got it. Woo-hoo! Told you. When you're a winner, baby. So, again, it's just tons of giveaways everywhere, which is cool. So, again, there's lots and lots of giveaways. I don't know exactly what it is or whatever, but so all type of stuff they got. I'll take it up. Drink.
Oh, you had the dog slipping, man.
No. You be good now. So all type of stuff, guys. So this is pretty fly stuff going on. All type of games they got given away. That's what they need to give me. They need to give me this golf cart. All right. So now let's go over here on the other side. So let's see. So it's pretty fly, guys. Sorry, I'm trying not to talk so I don't get copyrighted. You know, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, I hope. So anyway, we're talking about it. Everything is good. So let's see. So they actually have a stage out here. And I'm gonna go ahead and spoil it for y'all in a little bit.
Forward to the meet and greet with Fred Taylor. The line is actually beginning in queue just outside of the footprint right here, right behind the blue Walmart pop-up wall over here.
Yeah.
So the line is going to be on the outside of the white picket fence right over here. So make sure if you guys are wanting to get in line for Fred Taylor, that's going to be starting just behind this pop-up wall and these two Walmart tents. You're going to want to be in the line just behind the white picket fence back that way, guys.
Yeah, so Fred Taylor's going to be here shortly. We're going to try to get an interview with him. I can't guarantee it. I can't promise it, but we'll try. You know. Again, there's more and more samples to have for everyone. Different Pepsi products. I'm gonna take what is this? Coconut milk beverage. I'm gonna go with the Mountain Dew Dragon Fruit. All right. Thank you, brother. A great PepsiCo representative right there. Grand opening Oak Leaf. Let's go, baby! PepsiCo! Hey, they're dropping prices ahead of the Super Bowl on Lay's, Doritos, and everything, right? Let's go. All right, guys. Let's go, guys. So we're out, we got balloon artists out here. Not balloon artists,
yeah, they balloon artists.
Balloon artists, they make the
Twisters.
like twisters, they make the stuff for like the little kids or whatever, so that's pretty cool.
All right, then just to answer a few questions that have already been started to be asked about the Fred Taylor meet and greet. You will have a photo opportunity in which you will be receiving a physical print, a physical photo. It'll be done by our professional photographer here, right here at the setup. And you will also be able to receive an autograph from Fred Taylor, but the autograph is on a autographed item, an autographed football that's being provided by the Experience. And Fred Taylor will not be signing personal items. So if you brought a jersey, if you brought a poster, if you...
All right, well, they try to provide clarity to the whole Fred Taylor situation. So again, pretty cool event, pretty cool turnout. Happy about it for my, basically kicking off my birthday. And let's go, baby, let's get it going. Let's go. And my anniversary. Thank you, guys, let's go.